What's going on, Reverend? Welcome back. Today I have a Ulanzi phone tripod mount. Alright, let's check this thing out. So, over time, I have tried so many different cell phone tripod mounts. And with how big that phones are today, if you have a big case on it, I have an OtterBox on mine. If you have a big case, they are heavy. The phones naturally have gotten heavier over time. So the cheaper mounts, big giant plastic ones, they weren't doing it for me anymore. So I wanted something that was a little more sturdy and a little bit more higher of a price range, I'll say. And so I found this one. It's made by Ulanzi. There's the name there, so you can see it. And yeah, this thing is all aluminum. Everything, we'll get into that in a second. So let's take it out of the box. This is a very well-made box. I really like how this thing came shipped. Like, you can't even, like, it's so tight. And yeah, so you got the box there, just plain. Let's get that behind me there. So in the box, it's covered up by this little piece of foam here. So you remove the foam, and there it is in there. This thing is pretty sweet. I have been using this for quite some time, just to test it out in different conditions. I've tested it outdoors, indoor, in my vehicle, everything. So it comes in the foam there. Get it out. The foam is all pre-cut out. I love how when stuff is packaged like this, shipped like this, you see on the box there, on the back of the box there, gives you everything. You have 2 QR codes, gives you all the information. It doesn't come with a book. I kind of like that, but if you don't do your research on what these things do and how they work before you buy them, then when you get it, you can scan the QR code and it'll take you through all of the stuff to do. I was attracted to this one because of the colors, black and red. I'm a fan of red. I'm also a fan of black colors, so this thing kind of worked out just perfectly. There is a 1/4 inch, I believe that is. I believe that's a quarter. It screws onto any tripod, any kind of a mount, even a GoPro mount with the screw on it. And yeah, this thing is fully adjustable, so it's nice and flat on the bottom. And it also even comes with this little tool that is in there. It is magnetic. It just sticks right in there. Can't really see it right here. So it sits right in there. You can see the magnet. And that's it. It doesn't fall out. It can't fall out unless you lift and pull it out. You lift it up. There's a little hook on it there. You can kind of see that there. Right there. Yeah. And this thing right under where it says Ulanzi, right here, you can slide this in, and it's held in by magnetic. If you want to just stand this on the table, it's got a little extra foot to keep it front heavy. Because let's face it, you put some of these bigger phones in these things, now they become top heavy and all of that. So this thing, I really like how this is constructed. I'm going to stress on that so much. So you got this turn back here, this knob. So you would loosen it, and there is 4 ways you could turn this thing: left, right, straight up, straight down. Not straight down. You go fully left, right. It is rotatable, everything. So I'm going to leave it side to side here. So there is a lock there you would slide. So when you have it in the unlock position, you could grab and open that up. You heard that. It has little grooves in the slot there. You could just about see that there. So if you see right in here, there's grooves, and when you close it up, you can lock it. Now you can't open it. So it's another way to fully ensure that your phone is locked and secure in there. Now you see this knob that's there. You can unscrew that. How most of the phone tripods are, they have this screw knob that you would open up. You could see it kind of opening there. And this thing opens pretty big. I mean, you could see just how wide that opens up there. So this here is a Galaxy. Big phone. It's got big Defender out-of-box case on it. So you can put that in there, and there is still plenty of room. Slide in that lock it, and then tighten down the screw side, and this thing is in there. Now when you go to, you just have to loosen that back knob to unlock it just a little bit. To rotate it, you could point it up, tilt it down if you have the phone mounted high enough, all of that. And this thing holds the phone very well. I have even closed, I have a GoPro Hero 9 with the media mod, and that fits in there nicely. You could clamp that in there real quick, 1, 2, 3, if you need to. Now if you have your phone mounted sideways like that, you could even see on the top of this that there is a cold shoe. You could insert an extra microphone, an extra light if you want to set up a vlogging setup, whatever you may want. So yeah, this thing right here, I got this on Amazon. It was about, I believe it was about $38. It's not on the cheaper side, but I am very glad that I went with this, very glad that I got it. I've used it while hunting, mounted it on a clamp style mount that I could clamp to anything, any kind of a metal rail, metal post, whatever, side of a chair, an armrest, edge of the table, whatever you want that has the screw to screw it on, and you could turn it, twist it, whichever way you want, and you'll be fully set up, ready to go. I mostly got this on for how easy and quietly that you can adjust the phone up, down, left, right without having to loosen your whole clamp, turn it, all of that. So I got this for the maneuverability and the functionality of it, and it has not failed me yet. So this thing, Ulanzi phone clip is what they actually call it. This thing here is all I wanted to show you today. If you like the video, hit the like button down below, hit the subscribe, hit that bell, notify you every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday when new stuff comes out. Thanks for watching. Take care.